Gary says some municipalities require a special license to do any door-to-door knocking, no lead card to solicit a sale. How do you handle that? A lot of the time, the nature of your license is okay. It's a municipality rule. There is some neighborhoods that have, what is it called? A do not door knock list, but, it's a minority. Again, where this is more prominent is in suburban areas, higher income areas, places that we wouldn't prospect anyway for final expense. You will not see this stuff in poor areas because that's where final expense is sold on a much more consistent basis. Older neighborhoods with older people and poorer neighborhoods with poorer people. They're not going to have this level of sophistication. The municipalities aren't going to do anything. And if some cop harasses you, just pull your license out. And usually that's enough for them to stop bothering you because you have a license. But yeah, if you're in like an apartment complex, a condominium, you're in a retiree area, they will aggressively try to police that kind of prospecting activity. So the solution is just to not go there. Go somewhere else and where you're going to be less harassed. Again, that's why I like working rural areas because usually they don't have these rules. They're nicer anyway because nobody ever shows up at the door. And they're more likely to let people in anyway. Okay.